it's me, Ursula, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to conscious living. Today we're gonna look at our hormones. Let's just quickly break it down. Hormones, what are they? So hormones are powerful chemical messengers in our bodies, and they affect, well, everything from like sleep, moodiness, skin problems, irritability, weight gain, weight loss. So some people struggle with having too many hormones, other people have too little hormones in their bodies, and it's all about getting the right balance. We have tremendous power to balance our hormones naturally through lifestyle changes and looking at what we eat. So little disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist or a doctor. This is just a few tips on what I have found to balance my hormones. First up, we have sleep. Sleep is so underrated in our society today. Do yourselves a favor and go listen to the Deliciously Ella podcast, where she interviews Matthew Walker on his book, Why We Sleep. How many times have I not had sufficient sleep, but I would wake up at 5 AM to get to gym, and even though I'm tired, Matthew Walker says actually, if you're deprived from sleep, rather miss your workout, get your sleep. I know that when I'm tired, I overeat, I get super emotional, I drive like a drunk person, and I don't even drink alcohol. So sleep deprivation lowers your testosterone, which means low libido, low energy, poor concentration. Secondly is stress management. I've made peace with the fact that stress is always gonna be there. I don't think I'll ever reach a place where I'm like, now I'm living a stress-free life. I personally don't deal with stress very well. So I've had to consciously find a few things that help me manage my stress. I've incorporated into my lifestyle to spend a lot more time in nature. I find that nature really soothes me and connects me back to the earth. I go for walks in the park with my dogs. Another stress reliever is a long bath after a busy day, over a weekend, for emotional stress eating, just like get into the bath. Listening to music and dancing like a crazy silly person. Reading is a massive stress relief and also very underrated. Thirdly is address toxicity. In our lifestyles and the way we live, there's a lot of chemicals. So chemicals are released through plastic packaging. Xenoestrogens are extremely dangerous to our bodies and can make people really, really very sick. A way to bypass that is drink out of glass bottles. I don't go anywhere without my glass bottle. Happy Earth people changed their packaging this year. There's absolutely no plastic inside of this box. So support brands that are conscious about our body. Number 4 is exercise. If I don't exercise, I feel like there's something wrong with my day. It is my power hour. Forget about what exercise you're doing. Do the exercise that makes you feel good. Do the exercise that makes you move. And then number 5, very important, is the way we eat. I want to share with you a balancing bowl that is great for balancing your hormones. And we're going to focus on 4 pillars. Some healthy fats, antioxidant rich vegetables, and lastly, healing spices and herbs. We're gonna start with a base of baby spinach leaves. Colorful veggies I'm gonna put in. Chopped red cabbage, zucchini, just put it in the oven. Sliced pumpkin and a roasted red pepper. And I just basically scavenge the fridge for anything raw. What do we call these veggies? Turnips? So that's our vegetable base done. We need our clean protein. Happy Earth people, red lentils, because it is my favorite. Add some hummus, healthy fats. Lately I've been obsessed with roasted pumpkin seeds. Herbs, healing herbs. I've got the caper flowers from the garden, chopped coriander. So I've got Himalayan salt with a twist. From Good Life Organic, they've got this awesome product with chili and garlic and Himalayan salt. Ooh, yummy. Fenugreek, so I got this organic fenugreek from Good Life Organic. Sprinkle on top there. I will put all the details of Happy Earth People below. Go click on them, find out what they're all about. And I also have a review video which will be below that you can also go check out. Be a Happy Earth People, have happy hormones.